So I'm going to show you how our interior design agent can take you from an initial interior concept all the way through a brainstorm into a full selection of materials and products that you can actually source. The initial stages of design are often very fluid and require a process where you want to remix and explore ideas very, very fluidly and very fast. So let's take a look. So what we're going to do is have our interior design agent help us brainstorm and redesign my existing kitchen space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a picture of my existing kitchen. And in fact, I found a reference image from Pinterest that I really like in terms of the style. I don't even know how to describe it. So I'm going to add that in as well. And what I'll do is I'll tag my existing space as the existing space, and I'm going to tag this as a reference image. And I'm going to ask the interior design agent to redesign my existing kitchen, keeping the structure relatively the same, but applying the material and style of my inspiration image. What the interior design agent will do now is it will create a visual and a technical interior design brief before producing the images. So it's going to understand that this is a kitchen, that it's residential, and it needs, hard-wearing, non-porous materials, and pull these together into 3 options for me to start remixing. Okay, these look great. I really like the look of this one, and what I can ask it to do now is actually play around with the layout, but I'm also open to options of changing the furniture. So let's try that. Let's say we want more artisanal, crafty furniture, maybe more classic, and maybe a little bit more minimal. While it's doing that, I'm going to ask it to change the colorway. Let's just get it to generate 3 different colorways. Okay, so it has redesigned that existing space with 3 different styles of furniture. We have our minimal furniture over here, we have our classic furniture, and our organic furniture on this side. And here it's reproduced that design of ours in 3 different colorways. I quite like the look of this colorway. It's also quite interesting. So what we can do now is we can also take it and we can remix the overall layout of this particular room. So let's try that out. Let's say we are looking for a kitchen table and island. The agent will now understand this space, and it will now reconfigure the layout. So here it's helped us find 3 different configurations for including a kitchen island as well as a kitchen table. Now, I really love the look of this one with the kitchen table on the side, and so I'm actually going to ask to see that from different angles. Okay, now it's produced that room in 3 different angles, which I think looks really good. And let's say we want to now edit this image. So what we can do is edit and find products. Now what the agent will do is it will go and source the materials and products required to build out this particular aesthetic. Great. Now the agent has provided some match products, and these will all be technically appropriate for a kitchen space. So we have some hard-wearing porcelain tiles here for the flooring. We have all the upholstery, cortina leathers, and then it's given us some alternatives for upholstery. It's given us the paint treatments, worktop surfaces as well, and cabinetry, and some wall materials as well, just some of the tiles. We want wood flooring, so find me some oak wood flooring to match this style. And our agent will now search the library, and it will find oak floors that work with this particular style. So there you can see it's given us a series of tones that work really well with this look, and they obviously have some deep grain and some deep knots, which kind of fits this aesthetic. So I'm going to actually ask it to change the floor here, change the floor to this wood. So that looks great. Our agent's helped us change. It's now added that product to our match product list. And here's the magic, is we'll go to show concept. Here is a presentation of our new room, and we have a full selection of all the products that we've got included in our proposal, and we have a whole list of alternatives. So these are all the materials and products that work aesthetically and technically, as well as a variety of furniture options for us to complete this overall look. And we can go over to our material sheet, including all the product information, hyperlinks to the manufacturer's websites, and a full list of all of the criteria from application to usage, safety, sustainability criteria, and material content. We can also go and find these products by clicking on the hyperlink and going directly to the manufacturer's site. And what we can do is we can create a 3D mood board. The agent will now build a material sample board for us, and we can examine these in full 3D space and zoom into them to examine them in more detail. And let's finish off by having a look at the video of this space.